Welcome friends, I am Haseen Alam and you are watching TechSoon YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make stylish Facebook account. So it's very easy and simple. Now click to open your Facebook account and then click here on your profile. Click here on three dots and then click here on edit profile. Now click here on bio edit. Now copy stylish symbols from my TechSoon page. Link in description box. Copy stylish symbols and then paste here. Now edit your name and then click on save. Now go back and click here on viewers. Wow, looking good. Now if you want to make more stylish ID like this one, so then click here on edit public details. Click here on links edit. Click here on add social link. Now click to open TechSoon symbols link again. Click here on read more. Copy symbols from here and then paste here by using clipboard icon. Now paste your symbol from clipboard. Then click on save. Now if you want to add more stylish symbols again, so then click here on links edit. Copy symbols from TechSoon page and paste here. So same method for again and again. Then click on save. If you like this video, so then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.